and welcome back to my channel. This is Shatabdi. If you are watching me for the first time, please go down there and subscribe to the channel. So today's topic is it's very debatable, and it has been asked me a lot of times. This is one of those questions that people have come up to me with numerous number of times, that how tall are you? Truth to be said, I'm not very tall. I'm just 5 feet 6 inches tall, and there is this prejudice regarding people who are not very tall, that you can't be a model. It is not possible for you to be a model if you are not skyscraper tall. And guys, that is why this video is here. I want to tell you that is not true. It's not really necessary to be super tall to be a model. Now you will positively question me, Shatabdi. What are you talking about? It is really important to be real tall to be a model. No, it is not compulsory, because now we at the 21st century, we are different genres of modeling. You have ramps, you have commercials, you have digital, you have television commercials, and a few more genres. You have beauty, you have jewelry, you have Indian. When we talk about a model who's very tall, that height is very crucial when you are specifically a ramp model. Because what happens when runway models, they has to be really tall, because otherwise the clothes not gonna look good while they are working on the rampway. So this is very important to be reminded to everyone, that when you are working as a commercial model, or you're working as a beauty model, or you're working as a brand model, why do you need height? Why do you need a lot of height? I'm not telling you, listen, false hope is not a nice thing. I'm not telling you that you can be 5 feet and you can be a model. Though I have seen people who are like 5'3", 5'4", and they are into modeling, and I'm 5'6". I'm not very tall. I'm not very short, I'm not very tall. 5'6" is sort of considered short. And listen guys, I've got a lot of backlash because of my height. Previously, I still get a lot of backlash because of my height. There are a lot of people who don't even try and consider me as a model, because I'm not very tall. But when there's a will, there's a way, guys. If you have passion for modeling, if you have a beautiful face, if you have that X factor that makes you different from 10 other people, then it's difficult, but it's not impossible. You have to remind yourself each and every day that you have to cultivate that one thing that is special about you, that is different about you. If I be truly honest with you guys, if you are not very tall, if you are of a moderate height, and if you want to come into modeling, it's gonna be difficult. That's the truth. Because I have gone through a lot of judgment. I've gone through a lot of rejection and negligence because I'm not tall. Even back in the days when I was doing my first reality show and I was the shortest among all of them, they already had this sort of a judgment that, okay, she is short, she's not gonna make far. But when I ended up in the top 4, they knew that, okay, this girl had something. Guys, if you are short, then you see you already have a disadvantage. That is not something easy to be feature to. That is not something really what people expect out of a model's features. Generally, I see girls here, like here in Bombay, they are 5'9", 5'10", 5'11", and it won't be honest if I tell you that I am not insecure about my height anymore. I am insecure about my height. Still, I'm insecure about my height. But I have learned that if you are that adamant about making it, it will happen. So if height is your weakness, you have to concentrate on those features which will be your strength, you know. Like for beauty models, I'm mostly into beauty. For us, our face is really really important. If you have a distinct face, if you have a different face and you groom yourself really well, then no one can stop you from being a very successful beauty model. You can have jewelry campaigns, you can have makeup brands, and all, and with all this digitalization going on these days, most of the brands are digital. So if you are on a digital campaign, also if you are working on a brand campaign or wardrobe campaign, you, these days I observe that people like models who are more relatable. People don't like, it's not like they hate, but people feel more relatable to people when they see a girl or a boy on a campaign or on an ad, when they can relate, okay, I can be this, you know. That's the psychology these days. So if you are lacking with a height, you have to really concentrate on those things which are strong in you. Like for me, I knew that I have a strong face. I knew that I look really good on stills. So if you can't be a ramp model, you can be a still model. If you can't be a ramp model, you can be a commercial model. If you can't be a ramp model, you can be a television commercial model. There are a lot of genres. So I would really prefer all you people who are out there and who are aspiring to be a model and they are not really skyscraper tall, please 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 don't judge yourself on the facts that make others judge you. Because there's this proverb in Hindi that कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. बट ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप उन चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दें जो कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स बन सकते हैं. अगर मुझे लगता है कि मैं स्टिल मॉडलिंग में बहुत अच्छा करूँगी, तो फिर मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी होती है कि मैं अपने एक्सप्रेशंस पे काम करूँ, अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज पे काम करूँ, मैं मिरर के सामने प्रैक्टिस करूँ, बहुत पिक्चर्स देखो, लाइक पिक्चर्स ऑफ अदर मॉडल्स. You can get them on Pinterest, you can get them on YouTube. YouTube में बहुत अच्छे video profiles है where you can observe how other models they have a conversation with the camera. Like, understand one thing, when you are a ramp model, you are tall, you are skinny, your walk is really important. आप रैम्प पे कैसे चलते हो वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. बट जब आप टॉल नहीं हो और आपको कमर्शियल मॉडल बनना है या फिर ब्यूटी मॉडल बनना है, you have to talk to the camera, your eyes gonna talk to the camera. So you have to train yourself properly कि आप खुद को उसके काबिल बनाओ. If you wanna have a detailed version of how I work with my projects or how I prepare myself for my shoots, I had made a video a few days back where I discussed how to become a model. You can go and watch that video if you are a beginner and if you need more knowledge how to groom yourself. I think that will help you. और एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बात जो कि बहुत सारे लोग समझते हैं कि एजेंसीज they only prefer very tall model, which is 70-80% true, because at least internationally out of India they don't even accept profiles of those who are not very tall. But मैं ये आपको बोलना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप हिंदुस्तान में हो, आप मॉडल बनना चाहते हो और बहुत ज़्यादा टॉल नहीं हो, तो फिर आप खुशकिस्मत हो कि आप हिंदुस्तान में हो. बिकॉज इन इंडिया वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फास्ट मूविंग ब्रांड्स और फास्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ब्रांड्स हु मोर कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन शूट बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स. जैसे कि इंडिया के बाहर देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रैम शोज एंड मोस्टली ऑल द बिगर ब्रांड्स दे concentrate a lot on those ramp shows. But within India, what I have observed that most of the brands they really take care of their shoots and their commercial stuff, you know. So यहाँ पे भी agencies they are quite particular about the height, but they are not as sneezy about like people outside India about the height factor. So it's very important कि आप आपके पास एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोफाइल हो, अ वेरी गुड पोर्टफोलियो, विच आई हैव as well discussed in my previous videos, one of my previous videos where I discuss how to become a model. I prefer you go and watch that video in detail, because I have discussed about expressing yourself, about how to prepare your portfolio, how to talk to the agencies and stuff. So I would really suggest you go and watch that video. Other than that, guys, you have to understand one thing: our height is not something that we are directly responsible for. We can be responsible for our body, we can be responsible for our skin, our hair, our grooming, we can be responsible about our posing, our expressions and everything, but आपका जो कद है वो भगवान ने आपको दिया है, आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते। शायद जिस तरीके से अभी प्लास्टिक सर्जरीज आ सो पॉपुलर एंड स्टफ, शायद कभी इंसान वो भी कर सकते, हाइट भी बढ़ा सके, बट फॉर नाउ यू कांट कंट्रोल दैट. सो आई रियली प्रेफर इफ़ यू कांट कंट्रोल समथिंग, इफ इट्स नॉट something you can alter within yourself, then there's no point of brooding about it. उसको लेके गम करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता. तो अगर आप सीरियस है मॉडलिंग में आने के लिए और आप बहुत लंबे नहीं हैं, तो किसी ऐसे इंसान से बात कीजिए जिसको इस बारे में काफ़ी पता है. अपने स्ट्रेंथ पे काम कीजिए और अपने वीकर पॉइंट्स को थोड़ा सा इग्नोर करने की कोशिश कीजिए, क्योंकि जब हम अपने अच्छे चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेट करते हैं तो वी ग्रो मोर फास्टर. दैट्स ट्रू. It happened to me as well when I was really struggling with this height thing, and I was too much insecure about my height at a certain point of time. मैंने सोचा था मुझे कभी कोई भी कुछ credibility नहीं देगा in my career, because I'm not that tall, but see, everything has two sides. हर पहलू के दो पर्सपेक्टिव, अलग पर्सपेक्टिव होते हैं. सो अगर आप में कुछ चीज़ें कम है तो कुछ चीज़ ज़्यादा भी होगी. जो चीज़ अच्छी है उन पे काम करो, और मुझे बिल्कुल यकीन है अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ गाइस तो कोई भी कर सकता है. Yeah, because I feel I had come into the industry with a lot of cons. मेरे लिए एडवांटेजेस कम थे, डिसएडवांटेजेस ज़्यादा थे. सो मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ, मैंने थोड़ा काम किया है यहाँ पे और मैं प्रोफेशनली फुल टाइम मॉडल हूँ, तो अगर मेरे लिए मुमकिन हो सकता है, किसी के लिए भी हो सकता है. तो डोंट बी हार्ट ब्रोकन, वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, एनीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल. And that was today's video, guys. This was been requested a lot of times by people on my Instagram, like face to face, and a lot of my friends also asked me to make this one because they feel that me being a short model, if I can make it in the industry, anyone else can. I hope this was helpful for you. Please let me know on the comment section what you liked about the video and what you didn't like about the video. And also मैं चाहूँगी कि आप लोग मुझे सजेस्ट करो कि मुझे अगले वीडियो के लिए क्या करना चाहिए. इस वीडियो में मैंने कोशिश की है थोड़ी हिंदी में बात करने की. मुझे ये सजेशंस में बहुत बार मिला है कि आप हिंदी में बात करो, बट मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, तो मैं ट्राई करती हूँ उसको अवॉइड करने की. आई ट्राई एंड टॉक इन इंग्लिश मोर बिकॉज आई एम मोर कम्फर्टेबल विद दैट लैंग्वेज. तो आप मुझे ये भी बताओ कि क्या आपको लगता है कि मेरी हिंदी वीडियो में यूज़ करने लायक है. तो मैं अगले वीडियो से ज़्यादा हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश करूँगी. और हाँ, इतना ही था आज के लिए, एंड आई विल सी यू सून. बाय बाय, आई लव यू.